Hello, welcome back. I'm going to do a really quick video today using leftover paints and testing out some paints that I haven't used before. So I was kindly bought some paints and they are Baker Ross acrylic gloss. So they aren't behaving especially well. So I'm just going to do a little trial run and see how they work, mixed with Liquitex pouring medium along with these leftover paints, which have all sorts lurking in them from a couple of previous paintings. I've just mixed them up and strained them through a pair of tights to give me some really nice grey. And then to some other more leftovers, I've added the Baker and Ross purple. It is acting very weird. So I'll do a couple of flip cups. I'm going to do it across 1 cup across 2 and 1 cup across 2 pieces. And if these paints do behave nicely, then there's a lot here that I can work on painting. I've got a couple of paintings on my wall that I did. They were some of the very first pieces I did, and they're looking at me funny. I really need to pour over them. So I might bring them down and use these paints for that. There's no added silicone to these. There may be some lurking in the old paints that I scraped up off the table. It's the perfect time to try. It's pieces I'm not especially bothered about. It's leftover paints. It's a good way to find out what's going to work. This isn't leftover black, but it is pre-mixed that I have lurking around. It's 1 part Acrylic fluid acrylic black and 1 part Liquitex pouring medium and 1 part water. Same for the whites. It's a pre-mixed batch of white. Okay, so I will flip the cup onto each tile. I'm going to surround it with white. Now when I'm doing coasters, I find I have no problem making 3 beautiful coasters that match. I always end up with a 4th that just doesn't quite play nicely. So the aim in doing it this way across 2 is to have 2 sets of 2 that match and make a lovely 4. Okay, here we go. Exactly like that, that's cool. Okay, do the same for this one. Just to get it moving through the white. Ooh, that one's horrible. Where are all my colours? Wow. I'm gonna have no red on this one. Okay, so we'll give this a go. Let's touch up with the white. Sorry I left the gloves there, I was just checking you were still recording while I throw white at these. They're quite cool.